It's a new week.
It's a new week.
A lot
has been
really
happening.
happened.
Yes.
In the history of our country, the first time we saw the parliament.
Yes. Those pigs purporting to discuss Gachagua. But let me first clarify one thing.
Yes.
I've seen the Nation and the Star are spreading some misinformation that I represent Gachagua, that I'm part of his legal team. In as much as lawyers have a responsibility to apply the cab rank rule, that any client who comes to you, you must represent. There are exceptions to that cab rank rule. And one of them when there's conflict of interest. I have taken a position that Gachagua and Tutu must go. Both of them. I cannot and I am not appearing for Rigathi Gachagua in any case. And I will not. I can never. For the simple reason that I do believe that the pain the people of Kenya are going through are caused by William Ruto and Gachagua, the Kenya Kwanza administration. Who am I to now present myself to act in court as his lawyer? Whereas Gachagua is entitled to fair hearing and a fair trial process. There are many lawyers who can do that for him. I need my voice to act. And I'm not saying that even he has approached me. This is just misinformation that Nation and the Star have decided to partake. It is not that it's coming from Gachagua. It is the Nation and the Star, and they know what story they're trying. Maybe they're trying to limit my voice. The knife that we're using to cut Kenya Kwanza into pieces. That voice will not be limited. We will continue to speak.
Kenyans were so surprised.
No. My people, the people we work with, our people who believe in a transformative leadership in this country, and who also believe that Ruto must go. They should not buy that propaganda that I act for Gachagua in any way. I'm not acting for him in any way. In fact, we have no contact. And it's not personal. It's purely on policy, ideology. Them, they believe in causing pain. I believe in liberating the people of Kenya from pain. That is the space where we are in. And the people who have legal issues that are on this side are many. Because the people who are struggling with the failed economic policies, who are struggling with the rule of law, are on this side. The majority of Kenyans. Look at the young people who have been abducted. The ones who have been disappeared. The ones who are facing trumped-up charges in court. Those are the people I represent. Those who are suffering because of the failed economic policies of William Ruto and Gachagua. How can I again turn around to start representing those who are causing my people pain? No.
So you would rather leave a lot of money to represent Gachagua and represent your people on pro bono?
Yes, and I represent them pro bono. Most of them actually. In fact, 100% of those who are represented from the demonstrations, those who have been abducted, falsely accused in court, I'm acting for them pro bono. In fact, in many cases, I have used my own resources to pay for them bail to get them out. And I go to court. Because what did they do wrong? All they did was express the Article 37 right. And who sent the police to kill some of their colleagues, to abduct, to now bring trumped-up charges against them? It's the same Ruto and Gachagua's government. How can I go the other side? Don't. Let me stay on the side of the people. My payment.
However much
let me
put on the table.
I do not. Even if they put 1 billion on the table, I can never represent anybody in Kenya Kwanza. And the answer is very simple. The payment I get from this side. The payment I get from this side is seeing someone who is not able to pay legal fees. Someone who the system is trampling on their rights. Happy and not incarcerated. That to me is payment enough. No amount of money can compensate
that happiness.
This happiness that they get. So for me, seeing a father go back to his family, seeing a mother receiving the husband and the children playing with their father when they are from, after having been detained for even 5 days, that to me is the greatest joy. I don't need to get joy from money. What is money? What is money if the people are crying? The Bible says, when the wicked are in power, the nation mourns. When the righteous are in power, the people rejoice. The people are now mourning. The wicked, I cannot in any way, in any shape or form, anchor or support or defend anybody who is part of the wicked that are now in authority and causing the people to mourn. I am better off where the people are. And where the people are, I will get dividends.
Yeah.
And the dividends is when I see a smile on their face.
Wow.
That is what life is about.
Wow.
We are no longer about money.
Yes.
It's not about money.
That is so deep. Eh?
Yeah, it's not about money. We don't need money. Why do you want to accumulate all this money and then your neighbor is dying of hunger? Your neighbor the child has been killed.
Yeah.
Rex is dead. Denzel is dead.
Yeah.
60 other Kenyans. Okayo is barely back to normal life. He's always in and out of hospital because of his abduction. And he was thrown in on Maragua River.
Yeah.
Barely survived. Bob Njagi was beaten and held in Communicado for 32 days.
Yes.
Tortured. He lived in a very torrid state.
Yeah.
Handcuffed throughout that period. Naked, stripped naked. In a small, tiny room.
Yeah.
Dark. I mean, how, even if you are a lawyer and you are obligated to represent everybody, my conscience
How do you
cannot allow me.
defend?
I am what we call a reverend lawyer.
A reverend lawyer.
I am a reverend lawyer. In the practice of law,
Yes.
I am guided by a spiritual calling to serve humanity. You cannot be on the side of the oppressor. You choose, because that means I'm bringing curses to myself and to my generation to come.
Yes.
Let me stay on the side of the people.
Of the oppressed.
The side of the oppressed. That is where I'm most comfortable.
Yeah.
Because we are fighting a liberation war. And that liberation war is a war to liberate our people economically. It's about the economic liberation of this nation.
Yes.
And who are the oppressors? The oppressors are defined. It's William Ruto and Kenya Kwanza. I can never even go. In fact, I don't even know what will ever take me to this parliament. This current one.
Yeah.
I don't see even where I will appear.
The current, the parliament.
I can't even appear before. I can't. Who are they representing? The people of Kenya breached them on 25th of June and even burnt down part of that parliament.
Yes.
They no longer represent the people of Kenya. Why will I take myself even to appear before? I can't. And even if I went there, I will tell them, you all cancelled.
Yeah.
You are just MPs. I will tell them to their faces.
MPs.
MPs. I will tell them to their faces.
Yeah.
You no longer represent the true will and the wish of the people who brought you here. You've betrayed the cause. You've betrayed the trust that the people bestowed upon you.
Yes.
So why should I even appear before Parliament? In my view, I can't. Even to make a representation on any bill, I can't appear.
Yeah.
I can't.
Because the other day when the impeachment was going on, the house was full. And yesterday, they just could not proceed because
that to me, that's what I say.
quorum.
When it comes to them organizing themselves on the table,
Yes.
we want to remove Gachagua, maybe put Ndinyoro, Richungwa, Sijui Kindiki, Waiguru, whoever it is.
Yeah.
When it's about them positioning themselves to get positions, the house is full.
Yes.
Over 300 members of parliament.
Yeah.
When it comes to discussing Adani, Chief Shah, it comes to discussing JSS, university funding model, extrajudicial killings, forced abductions, and disappearance of our people. There was no quorum of even 50. 50!
Yeah, yesterday it was...
Yesterday, they could not even get 50. The bell was rung 10 times. The bell was rung 10 times. They could not raise 50 members. When it came to Gachagua,
Yes.
you have over 300 members of parliament sitting there. Things that affect them because they are now positioning themselves. So I'll get this, you'll get this. Whoever comes in now, when it's their personal interest, they turn up. But when it is an issue that affects the majority of the people of Kenya, they don't turn up.
Yeah.
So who are they representing? Who are they? Who are you? You member of parliament, who are you? Huh? I cannot. Never.
Yeah.
This one. Once the people of Kenya are done with it, I may appear before the next parliament.
Yes.
But not these ones. This bunch of scoundrels. They are the most myopic lot that we ever had in this country. So they do not represent the people of Kenya.
So you are not proud of the parliament that we have?
I told you the 13th parliament is cursed. I never believe that 13 as a number is cursed. I do, because of this parliament. It is the 13th parliament, it is cursed. Because, in all fairness, barely 24 hours apart, Parliament has over 300 members sitting to discuss impeaching Gachagua. Then 24 hours later, the same Parliament, in fact not 24 hours,
12 hours.
12 hours later, the same Parliament cannot marshal 50 people. Same.
That was crazy.
Same weather, same roads, same building, same machinery, same equipment. You cannot get 50 people.
Yes.
Why do you hate the people of Kenya so much? that when it comes to people's issues, you cannot appear.
Yeah.
You cannot come out to discuss. It is cast, and I feel sorry, within that same building.
Yeah.
There are some members of parliament who are trying so hard.
Yeah.
At least them, they're trying to stay true to cause. People like Onyonka.
Yeah.
They're trying.
Senator Onyonka.
But they're working in a cesspool. The impact that they are having in that house is negligible, just because they are surrounded by pigs. So the ones who have stayed true to their duty as representatives, we give them accolades, we give them their flowers. But the majority of them, the M-pigs, I cannot appear. I cannot. I'm sorry.
You know, when it came out that you were part of the council team that was going to represent DP Gachagua, a section of Kenyans who believe in your ideologies and your beliefs came out to defend you. Does it mean that at least some Kenyans have begun to align with the ideologies that Safina Party, you and the party leader have, that they could come out to defend you, knowing that it is impossible for you to do that?
You know, it's a very good thing that actually it's people who are calling to tell me this is nonsense. Why your name, even before they ask me, why are they dragging your name into this impeachment? Of course, there's a significant number of people who actually believe that we are on a course, and they've bought into our course, and they know that it's an ideology. There is no way, there is no day that we'll ever find common ground with Kenya Kwanza and William Ruto. We can never. We are ideologically and policy-wise distinct. You can never find any common ground. The only time we'll ever come into contact with Kenya Kwanza and William Ruto is at the point of exit. When they're handing over power to us after we've defeated in an election. That will be the point of contact. There will be no other point of contact because, and people can see it, the things we speak about here, the things we talk about here, we are not just saying it for the sake of it. These are belief. So that those who've followed our conversation have understood where we are coming from. They know what we are capable of doing and what we are not capable of doing. That is why you saw a significant number saying, no, this is nonsense. And they're the first to even call out the star, putting my picture there and my name. There's only one Willis Otieno, Reverend lawyer.